Hi everyone. Today we're going to study one-sided limits. We learned last time that this is the notation for limits. We read this as the limit of the function f of x as x approaches a equals the value L. To have a limit L as x approaches a function f must be defined on both sides of a, and its values f of x must approach L as x approaches a from either side. Because of this, ordinary limits are called two-sided. Let us now define one-sided limits. Suppose we want to find the limit of a function f of x to the right of the point A. The notation is this. The limit of f of x as x approaches a, and this a will have an exponent of positive sign, and we call this right-hand limit. Also, to find the limit of a function f of x to the left of the point A, this is the notation. Limit of f of x as x approaches a, and this a will appear like having an exponent of negative sign. We call this left-hand limit. Let us now consider the function y equals f of x represented by the graph. Let us now find the limit of the function f of x as x approaches 1 from the right. Let us locate 1 in the x-axis. Here it is. Again, we call this the right-hand limit. Now, when x approaches 1 from the right, the graph is approaching a value of y, and that is 1. So we write here 1 as the answer. Letter B, let us find the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the left. Again, we locate 1 in the x-axis, and we call this the left-hand limit. When x approaches 1 from the left, the graph is here and it is approaching a value which is 0 in the y-axis. So we write here 0. So these are the answers for the given limits. Now let us consider this theorem. A function f of x has a limit as x approaches a if and only if the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the right side exists, and the value is L. Also, the limit of f of x as x approaches a from the left exists, and the value is also L. In other words, the right-hand limit must be equal to the left-hand limit, and the common value is L. In that case, we can say that the limit of the function f of x as x approaches a, this is now the two-sided limit, is also that same value, which is L. Now, suppose the right-hand limit and the left-hand limit are not equal. So we say that the limit of f of x as x approaches a does not exist. In some books, you will see the symbol D, N, E. This means does not exist. Take note also that when the right hand limit is not equal to the left hand limit, don't write answer as 0. Again, what you're going to write is the word does not exist. Let's go back to our example a while ago. The right hand limit is equal to 1, while the left hand limit is equal to 0. So when we write the limit of f of x as x approaches 1, this is now a two-sided limit. As per our theorem, we can compare the values of the right hand limit and the left hand limit. We can see here that they are not equal. So the answer here does not exist. Let's have another example. Example D, limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right. Let us identify the number 2 in the x-axis, and it's here. The values are coming from the right. We can see that when x approaches 2, the graph is here and it is approaching a value of y which is equal to 1. So we write here 1. Next example, the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left. So the number 2 is here. When x approaches 2 from the left, the graph approaches a y value which is 1. So we write here 1. Now, example F, the limit of f of x as x approaches 2. This time, this is a two-sided limit. So we will compare the values of the right hand limit and the left hand limit, and we can see that they are equal. And the value is 1. We will just simply copy this value and we will write it here. And that is the answer. Example G. The limit of the function f of x as x approaches 3 from the right. The number 3 is here, and we will consider those values of x that approaches 3. Then looking at our graph, it is now approaching a value of y which is 2. So we write here 2. Example H is the limit of f of x as x approaches 3 from the left. So the number 3 is here. When x approaches 3, the graph is approaching a value of y which is 2. So we write here 2. Example I, the limit of the function as x approaches 3. This is now a two-sided limit. And we can see here that the right hand limit is equal to the left hand limit. And the value is 2. So we will copy this and write it here. This is now our answer. Example J. The limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the right side. So the 4 is here. When x approaches 4 from the right, from our example, the graph is not defined. So we write here, does not exist. Example K, the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the left side. So when x approaches 4, the graph is approaching a value of y which is 1. So the answer here is 1. Now, example L. The limit of f of x as x approaches 4. We know that this is again a two-sided limit. comparing the values of the right-hand limit and the left-hand limit. They are not equal. So in here, we will write does not exist. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.